During the Three Kingdoms period, Cao Cao ruled the northern regions and aimed to eliminate Liu Bei in the south. He led a large army southward, preparing to attack the land of Shu. Upon learning of Cao Cao's intentions, Liu Bei dispatched Zhuge Liang, Zhao Yun, and others to resist Cao Cao's advance. Zhuge Liang and Zhao Yun devised a plan. They first used the ruse of an empty city, creating the illusion that the region was deserted to dissuade Cao Cao from attacking recklessly. Then they executed the strategy of borrowing arrows with thatched boats, deceiving Cao Cao's troops during foggy weather. The plan succeeded, and Cao Cao's arrows were seized without his realization. Later, Cao Cao's subordinate Zhang He discovered Zhuge Liang and Zhao Yun's scheme and reported it to Cao Cao. Enraged, Cao Cao intended to confront Zhuge Liang and Zhao Yun personally. However, another of his advisors, Sima Yi, dissuaded him, saying, "My lord, do not fall for their tricks. They aim to provoke you into battle and then defeat you with cunning tactics. Do not believe Zhang He's words. He has been bribed by Zhuge Liang and Zhao Yun, fabricating falsehoods to entrap you." Cao Cao trusted Sima Yi's counsel and refrained from confronting Zhuge Liang and Zhao Yun. Instead, he had Zhang He executed. Ironically, Zhang He was loyal to Cao Cao and had not been bribed. It was Sima Yi who collaborated with Zhuge Liang and Zhao Yun, fabricating the false information to protect them. This story highlights how creating something out of nothing is a form of deception, showing that for personal gain or ulterior motives, people might resort to fabricating false information to mislead or harm others, ultimately resulting in adverse consequences. During the spring and autumn period in the state of Qi, there was a general named Tianji and Pang Huan, a general from the state of Wei. They were disciples of the same teacher, but Pang Huan harbored intense jealousy toward Tianji due to his abilities. Pang Huan sent someone to Qi under the pretext of horse racing to challenge Tianji. Aware of Pang Huan's intentions yet unable to refuse, Tianji sought advice from his strategist, Sun Bin. Sun Bin explained that Wei's horses were classified as superior, average, and inferior, while Qi's horses were only average and inferior. Sun Bin suggested that Tianji use his inferior horses against Wei's superior ones, ensuring an inevitable loss but depleting the stamina of Wei's superior horses. Then, Tianji should use his superior horses against Wei's average ones, ensuring victory while conserving energy. Lastly, use the average horses against Wei's inferior ones, securing another win and ultimately winning the contest. Following Sun Bin's strategy, Tianji indeed won the horse race. Pang Huan felt ashamed and was later killed by Tianji during the Qi-Wei War. This story teaches us the importance of patience, waiting for the right moment and then launching a decisive attack, embodying the meaning of accumulate strength to launch a decisive attack. In modern terms, it describes a person or team preparing extensively before initiating a significant action or plan.